All right, so quick little update. Spent the last couple of days, really taking my time putting these mini splits in. You can see both of them are up and running. Got them wired in. It wasn't necessarily hard, but it was like 98, 99 degrees. Putting them in the shop and outside, so kind of warm. But they're in now. They're working fine. Just to give you an idea, before I finish the installation, I've already got this one section kind of up because I needed to get that up to put the mini splits in and not have to work around them. So I got those in first. But just to give you a little update, so it's about 6 o'clock in the afternoon. This is usually the time of day I'm out here in the shop. I come out, after work when I'm not traveling, and get out here and work in the shop. So the sun's on the back wall, which in the last video we kind of went over that, but just want to give you an idea of what a difference just this stuff is, or just this insulation right there is making. So go to the middle of the shop first. I'm going to do we're just going to check the post here. So it says right now it's like 88 degrees in the shop. Okay, that's with the 2 mini splits working. The second one came on a couple hours ago, or I finished it a couple hours ago, and it's been on. So 88 degrees ambient temperature in the shop. All right, now, like we talked about in the last video, the sun after about noon is on this entire back wall, pretty much the whole portion of the day, until it gets far enough down to where the privacy fence next door starts creeping up. So right now, the sun is full bore on this wall. I think outside it's about low 90s right now, 92, 93. So earlier today it was 98, 99. But so let's just look at the top panel. Okay, so that panel is 118 on the inside. It's probably much higher than that on the outside. The bottom panel, yeah, so the fence has already come up and casting a shadow on the bottom panel. It's like 93. Here's the insulation. So, you go down a little bit to where the shadow is. So, but here's the big thing is, 118, 119 at the top where the sun is still on it, to 92. That's 26 degrees difference. 26, 27 degrees difference. Or maybe my math may be a little wrong there. So yeah, once I get this thing completely sealed up, get this stuff everywhere, it'll be I think a lot cooler in here, because if I walk up to this right now and put my hand up to the insulation, I don't feel like heat radiating off of it. If I get about 2 foot close to that right there, you can literally feel the heat radiating off of it. So it's pretty drastic difference. Anyway, over and out.